there's only one resistor in the kit, so it makes it easy for us this time. We don't have to measure anything. So we're going to put one leg in there. Or the easiest way actually is to fold it like a little bit of a staple first, and then it'll make it easier to get through the holes. The way I prefer to do it is put it in tight, and then bend the legs out of the way because that'll hold it in space, hold it in place. Lay it down, and then solder it up. Probably a good idea at this stage to clip off any extra wires. You don't have to keep those, throw them away, but don't just brush them on the floor.